Unboxing idioms, Unraveling Hit Out At. Hello, English explorers. Welcome back to our journey through the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unpack a phrase that might seem a bit puzzling at first: hit out at. Is it about boxing? Is it about taking a swing? Stay tuned as we decode this phrase together and add another gem to your vocabulary treasure box. The phrase, hit out at, doesn't involve any physical hitting, despite what it might sound like. It's actually a verbal expression used to describe criticizing someone or something strongly and publicly. It's often used in news reports or discussions about public figures or organizations. For example, if a politician disagrees with a policy, they might hit out at the policy to show their disapproval. It conveys a sense of aggression, but in the realm of words and opinions, not fists. To better understand hit out at, let's break it down. Hit, in this context, is metaphorical. It means to deliver a strong message. Out suggests that the action is directed outwardly, towards someone else. At points to the target of the criticism. When put together, it's a verbal expression of someone lashing out with words, targeting someone else with their criticism. Let's see how hit out at can be used in everyday language with some examples. The mayor hit out at the press for what he called unfair coverage of his policies. The celebrity hit out at internet trolls for spreading false rumors about her personal life. Environmentalists hit out at the government for not taking action on climate change. These sentences show how the phrase can be versatile, used across different subjects and scenarios. For those of you looking to expand your vocabulary even further, here are some synonyms. Lash out at, criticize sharply, attack verbally, condemn, denounce. Each of these can be used in place of hit out at, and can add different nuances to your sentence. And there we have it, language learners. You've just added hit out at to your idiomatic expression toolkit. Remember, it's all about the context and the word's figurative meaning rather than a literal one. I hope this video has been enlightening and has hit the mark for your learning goals. Keep practicing, keep questioning, and as always, happy learning.